a lot of 16 different billheads and receipts, all of which have pictorial advertising on them. They're all from the first half of the 20th century. This one, for instance, has not just the color image, but also a pictorial bird's eye view of the factory. And here's Hills Brothers Coffee, Denver, Colorado. The general office is in San Francisco, shipped from Albuquerque. Dallas, 1934. Santa Rosa, New Mexico, merchant, brown cracker and candy. It's very nice. Here's Baby Ruth candy bars, 10 boxes, 20 boxes of Butterfingers, boxes of Baby Ruth gum, and each deal, look at this, you get this deal, and then you get a free pocket knife with each deal, so they bought 10 of these deals. Interesting candy. And here we have a bread with a nice factory image there. And here is smoked and frozen fish. Here's alcohol and spirits, 1901. And here's a grocery letterhead here, cigars and so on. And here is, look at this, largest, most complete, and best equipped candy plant in the South. All the automobiles here, Dallas, Texas, chocolates. Here we have Swift and Company, the rubber stamp and their emblem of the bull. And here's foreign and domestic fruits and produce, oranges, lemons, pineapples. Interesting. Boston. Yeah, manuscript writing. And we've got this one, wholesale grocers. They also deal in lime and cement. Nice picture there of the building. Here we've got the Bunker Hill Coffee Mills. There's an image of Bunker Hill. And the final one is this Baker and Company coffee with their coffee can. And so this group of billheads is now available online from me as one lot, Brian DeMambro.